Stop wasting your time on a person who's not sure about you. I said I was fine, but I never said I didn't hurt. Move on, 2 words, 6 letters, easy to say but hard to do. Everyone will ignore my efforts but highlights my mistakes. Don't forget to smile because your smile is very beautiful. Don't trust anyone, life is full of fake people. 3 mistakes of my life: I trust easily, I care for everyone, I don't cheat. Don't go back to the same place where you lost your smile. Sometimes I feel like I am disturbing everyone, so I just turn silent. What is love? When someone waits for you the whole day just to have a small conversation with you. Innocent people are not stupid. They just think everyone has a good heart. I am always happy because I don't accept anything to anyone. Every smile makes your day younger. Don't play with me because I know I can play better than you. Not happy, not sad, just look okay. One person never removed from my heart, it's you. Always listen to your heart, it's full of love and hope. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. Emotions doesn't make you weak, emotions make you human. Bad days are also part of good life. Pain is temporary, regret is forever. I am very forgiving person, so if I stop talking to you, it means you truly went too far. Nobody is real in this world. Everyone has dual face. Uninstall your past, update your future. Be loyal as lock, it gets broken but never replace its key. Trust me, self-love will never hurt you. Today is the period of struggle, tomorrow will be the period of success. It's my promise, I will always love you for a lifetime. I will never stop loving you in this life. Please don't leave me, I am totally addicted to you. Life has only 2 options, uninstall, update. No one is good, no one is bad, everyone is acts according to time. I am not silent, I just avoid speaking with fake people. Accept the reality because the chapter already end. Psychology says when your mood is not good, without any reason you are definitely missing someone. Unexpected friendships are always the most special. Don't ignore anyone. After they get addicted to you, it really hurts. Life is painful, but friendship is powerful. Money is a small coin, health is a big coin, love is a lucky coin, relationship is a sweet coin, but friendship is a golden coin.